Greetings and welcome back to another Language Broker English lesson. This is lesson 9.6, where we will learn 50 more English adjectives. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. Together we will learn, memorize, and practice 50 new adjective words. Okay, so let's get started. Hard, hard. Healthy, healthy. Alan is healthy. Alan is healthy. Heavy, heavy. Honest, honest. He is not always honest. He is not always honest. Horrible, horrible. Ignorant, ignorant. Impatient, impatient. Amy is always impatient. Amy is always impatient. Imperfect, imperfect. Inaccurate, inaccurate. Independent, independent. Informal, informal. Insecure, insecure. Insensitive, insensitive. Irresponsible, irresponsible. The irresponsible boy lost his keys. The irresponsible boy lost his keys. Jealous, jealous. Kind, kind. Lazy, lazy. The lazy cat fell asleep. The lazy cat fell asleep. Light, light. Right now, it is light outside. Loyal, loyal. Alan is loyal to Amy. Alan is loyal to Amy. Mean, mean. Necessary, necessary. Negative, negative. Nervous, nervous. We are nervous about the test. We are nervous about the test. Nice, nice. noisy, noisy, normal, normal, ordinary, ordinary, outgoing, outgoing, patient, patient. The patient girl sat quietly. The patient girl sat quietly. Perfect, perfect. Poor, poor. Positive, positive. Powerful, powerful. Proud, proud. Quiet, quiet. Real, real. Reasonable, reasonable. Reliable, reliable. That car is not reliable. That car is not reliable. Respectful, respectful. Responsible, responsible. Rich, rich. Ridiculous, ridiculous. Rough, rough. Rude, rude. The rude lady shouted. The rude lady shouted. Sad, sad. Salty, salty. The food is too salty. The food is too salty. Scary, scary. Sensitive, sensitive. Serious, serious. Shy, shy. With a shy smile, she waved hello. With a shy smile, she waved hello. Okay, we're done. Great job again, as always. That is all for today. Please practice, practice, practice. Practice using adjectives in a sentence. The more you practice, the better you become. As always, please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson, where we will learn 20 more adjectives. Thank you. I hope you have a good day. Bye.